welcome back to my channel. So today it's a new video prepping for a trip. It is my first international trip in 2 years, you guys. I am dying. I don't know how to feel. I'm like almost nervous, like I've never done this before, but yeah, I'm going to Dubai. By the title you can already tell. I will probably post this when I'm already there, so if you want to see like live updates, you can follow me on Instagram. I will have it right here. But today, beginning today, I will start prepping for it, beauty and stuff. And today I'm gonna go do my hair. This is straightened hair and I straighten it myself, and I'm gonna go do a hair treatment so that it's, you know, ready for the beach and I don't have to worry about doing it after showers or anything like that. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys at the hairdresser. Okay, little outfit for the hairdresser. Weekend fit is super easy. Don't mind the mess behind me. I wasn't home for like 4 months. Jacket is an old collection. This is a Zara top. It's a bodysuit and Zara sweats and Air Forces, and also Zara bag. If you can't tell what my favorite store is, that was your clue. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so I just got back. Just wanted to show you guys my hair. It is completely straightened out right now. It has gotten so long, insane. But yeah, now I feel like I'm completely just super comfortable. I could go to the beach, I could, you know, shower, whatever. I just like to do this like at least once a year. And then when my hair gets longer, I just do it again, just to retouch, you know, the roots and everything. So yeah, definitely ready for vacation, maybe. Okay guys, so I just got back from work today. I went to the office, and by the way, I didn't film because I completely forgot. But part of my prep was going to get laser hair removal. I've been going there for 3 months. It was not painless, like it was mild pain compared to the last time. And the last time it was because I was about to get my period, and this time my third session was right after getting my period. Like I was still on my period. So the pain levels are so different. Like if you are about to get your period, don't get anything painful, no waxing, no nothing. But like right after it, oh my god, like literally you get the pain tolerance just goes up. Anyway, so I did have that, and the trip is actually this Saturday, and today is Tuesday, May 17th, and I'm flying on May 21st. So I will be hairless for the rest of the trip. Thanks to laser hair removal. But the best part about prepping for this trip was is it this way? Actually, I don't know. Yeah. It's my Fashion Nova haul. So I decided this time I wanted to, every time I'm going on a trip, I like to shop before that. And this time I decided to try Fashion Nova, which I've never tried it before. I don't know about the minimum, but I definitely paid a lot of taxes. And honestly, I don't think I'm gonna do it again. We will see. We will see with how this looks. So let's do a haul. I'm gonna open this with you guys. I just received it this morning. First and foremost, so I got this swimsuit. It's bright neon orange because it is very much, you know, beach clubs in Dubai. Okay, first impression, this looks like very large, and this is a medium. Granted, Fashion Nova does not, you know, it's a lot of curvy women in the website. So I didn't know like what a medium was and what a small was, whatever. And I didn't want to get a small in case it didn't fit me. But I would definitely say size down on Fashion Nova because this would be a large for me. Anyway, the good news is there's a lot of coverage. I mean, for me. I think it's good coverage. And then for the top, I think the top will be just fine because this is a medium as well. And I feel like a lot of mediums in regular stores are actually small. They don't fit me, or like risk of a nip slip all the time. So I think with this one, I will not have I would not be risking a nip slip with this one. I feel like this is a real world medium. This is a real world medium, you know, but like in other websites, this definitely might be a large. Then I have this top, like a super casual one. I just really needed a casual top, but like an interesting design instead of, you know, it being like so boring. I got this one. Okay, God help me. What is this? I think this goes, yeah, this goes this way. So basically, you know, it's a cool design. It's still casual. It's cottony. It's nothing crazy, but like casual, but like spice it up a little bit. But like you're able to spice up a little bit your outfit. And then, ooh, I got this corset. I really wanted a corset, and like I really wanted to have the kind of outfits where you have like a cute, sexy corset, but like a baggy pair of jeans. So that's what I went with. This is the corset that I got. I think this would actually fit me pretty nicely, I think. And I think it's tight enough that I won't need a bra. And I love this design right here with baggy jeans. I think it's such a cute outfit and like such a cute style. So yeah, I think this would fit really well. And this was an S, a small. So definitely I think size down for sure, because I do not wear a size small, especially in tops. So, and this would fit. So if I got a medium, it would have definitely been larger. And in a corset, you kind of want it to fit. So there you go. And also all of these outfits will 100% be worn in Dubai. So if you want to see them styled and on me, check out my Instagram. I will definitely be posting stories as I go, and I will be vlogging the trip, of course. And then I got a pair of shorts. I don't have a good pair of denim shorts. I really don't. I have two. One was repurposed jeans that I didn't like anymore, so I cut them, and I don't think they fit me. Like, I don't like the style. And then I have another pair of shorts that don't fit me at all, and I'm so tight in them, and they're supposed to be my size. And one thing I'm starting to learn is to forget about the number and forget about the size, and focus on how it hugs my body and how it is on my body, no matter the size. So from now on, I'm just like going with the size. Those shorts were extremely tight, so I got these shorts. They're very like casual, distressed here, very beachy, very summery, and this is a size 9. But I feel like this is good. Like, this is going to fit me, and it's not going to be too large, but I'm going to be comfortable, it feels like. And it's not like super hard denim. It's very stretchy, not very, but like stretchy enough. And that's what attracted me actually to Fashion Nova, and why I wanted to try it, because all the models are curvy models, and all the models got some, you know, some thighs and some ass. So I feel like that's like more realistic for me to shop from. It looks good so far. And then I got this pair of jeans. This is the vibe that I was going with. Maybe it looks like it's high-waisted. I'm sorry if the lighting is changing. I am filming on my phone. Hopefully I can upgrade with a vlog camera while I'm there. So yeah, these are the jeans. I feel like I can also have them like low rise. I feel like I can also style them low rise and maybe also high waisted, and they are distressed right here in the knees, and they are super, you know, large and in charge, and that's the style and the vibe that I was going with. This is a size 9 as well. I will let you know in the next video or the next vlog or on Instagram if it fits me or not. I feel like it will fit me. I kind of know my body really well, so I feel like it would fit me. And this is the vibe I wanted to do, like this corset, you know, like super nice design, and then these baggy jeans. Like, it's gonna look so good. And then I have this oversized button-up shirt that okay, I'm not a huge fan of this yellow. It's like almost green. It comes off like really well on camera. I feel like I like that color better, but it's a little bit lime green in real life. Maybe you can see it this, yeah, this is more realistic. Kind of like a man button-up shirt that I plan on wearing like opened with the swimsuit or like opened with shorts and maybe like a tank top. Super casual, like breezy, and at the same time it's like feminine with a touch of masculine, like just my vibe basically. I got these pair of shorts. If you don't know me, when spring and summer comes around, it's like all colorful for me. So I got this pair of sweat shorts. They're, oh my god, so soft. I love it. They're a little bit distressed like right here, and they are so soft. A little bit larger, again with like a fitted top, and then these, and then like some Nike Dunk Lows or Jordans or something. That will look so good. So yeah, I feel like I can style this in like a very like casual, stylish way. And I can also wear them with something like oversized and go on with my day. I actually have no idea what this is. Biker shorts. I know they look tiny, but like they're super stretchy, right? I hope so. Because these are not my thighs, girl. But I feel like on the model, I think the model was short because this does not look as long as I thought it would. That was the point, and that was the way that I thought I was gonna style them, with an oversized t-shirt. And then I got this oversized gray t-shirt that has this this print on it with a vintage car, and it says vintage and this little cute pink. I just love this t-shirt. I've wanted one for a long time, but I feel like they're always overpriced, and for the way I want to use them, I feel like oh my god, and for the way I want to use them, I feel like it's not, you know, worth the price. So on Fashion Nova, I feel like it was a good price, and it feels like a good quality. So far, everything feels so good. I am a mess and I am tired. It's the end of the day. But then I got another pair of sweat shorts in black because I just needed a staple, and I literally fell in love with sweats ever since the cocoa hit. So now I'm getting it in shorts. And this is a size medium, and I wanted a medium because I knew it was going to be oversized on me, and it just proves my point that on Fashion Nova you should actually go down a size. I got another, what is this? I got another swimsuit, this time in one of my favorite color for summer. It is this blue, like royal deep blue. I just absolutely love it. I had one and I completely ruined it because I put it in the washing machine and the color just faded away. So this is a size, it looks like a medium. I feel like this will fit me really well. It is tiny, so just FYI. And then also, by the way, I'm gonna link everything down below, and you guys can shop directly, and they always have sales. And then this is the top for the swimsuit. It is just a basic one. I feel like this is gonna be very supportive for, you know, my girlies. And then in the back, it's like a cute little design, you know, just a little thingy to not make it, you know, to make it a little bit more fun. And then last but not least, I got these glasses. Again, everything is for, you know, styling reasons. It's for having fun with my outfits. It's for having fun, like trying different styles. And I absolutely love doing that. And, you know, when you're doing that, it's good to know that you have Fashion Nova to try all of those styles. So I got these glasses. Oh my god, everything is so yellow. They are a little bit bigger than I expected them to be, but they're so fun, and it's just like a little zhuzh to the outfit. So yeah, that is everything I got on Fashion Nova. If you want to see me style all of these things, plus the things that I already have, you can follow me on Instagram and we'll have it right here. I will obviously post every outfit and where it is from. And I will be vlogging my trip One last thing I have to do is on Friday, I have my nail appointment because these nails are just like the poor nails. I've been trying to keep them like long for a month, but I was not successful at doing that because my nails are just like so fragile. So I was not able to do that. My nail tech will fix that. I will take you guys with me on my nail appointment. That's in 2 or 3 days. It's on Friday, and then I fly on Saturday, and I still haven't packed. I still have no idea. I was waiting on this so that I can, you know, plan my outfits and everything. But I'm so excited to go on a trip. It's my first trip in 2 years. I have not seen the airport. I have not been on a plane, and I'm just like feeling excited and nervous, and I just want to have like a good time. I want to go to the beach. I want to go shopping. I want to, you know, just like enjoy my time. Right, guys, I am all ready. My suitcase. So my suitcase is right there. I still haven't done it. I've never been so unorganized with my packing, but I'm learning to, you know, have fun with the unknown, I guess. I'll talk about it another time. All ready to go get my nails done, and I'm just waiting for the driver right now. He's coming on his way. It is a couple days later, and it's Friday today. It's the end of the work week. It's been a crazy week. Like, why is planning for vacation so stressful? And also, I got an opportunity for a business trip, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to go because of the visa issues and, you know, no appointments and all of that drama. So we will see for the business trip. But for the Dubai trip, I still have no information. I don't have my visa. I'm going with an agency, and I'm not like proud of the way they've been handling things. A little bit too much at the last minute for me. But anyway, I'm just gonna, you know, I'm going as a last minute thing, and I'm trying to separate myself from the over planning that I'm used to. So anyway, my driver just called me. So this is the outfit. This is the sweatsuit that I got from Zara last fall, and I just love it. And of course, Air Forces, my Zara bag that I absolutely love. They have it in such cute colors, and I also have it in pink right there. I really love it. Super versatile. So yeah, let's go get the nails done. They are horrific. Guys, I'm shutting down my computer for the week. I am so excited to not have any responsibility. Yeah, now I have everything I need. My passport is right here. I have my my plane ticket. I have everything I need. So the adventure actually starts tomorrow. I'm flying at 9 a.m. Yeah, now I'm just going to finish packing. It is right there. And I'm going to start vlogging as soon as I get to the airport, or like when I land and stuff, so that the Dubai vlog will be on its own. Everything that I did, all of the good deals, all of the shopping, all of the sunshine, that's all I plan to do. I don't want to, you know, over plan or anything. I'm literally going freestyling it, having some fun. I just, you know, I just want to let loose and be cool and enjoy my time. And as you guys know, it's going to be my first trip in 2 years. So I didn't want to do much, you know. I didn't want to go somewhere. By the way, I didn't talk about the choice, but I'll talk about the choice in the next video. But yeah, I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow, and I will share the whole trip with you guys. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see everything live, if you want to see me go places, go shopping. Maybe I'm gonna book some activities, some jet ski, some stuff like that while I'm there. But yeah, we will see what happens, and I hope you guys have a great time. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.